enshumi nshya hingwire gavumenti ya Uganda iri kurabira Ministry y'obuhinzi n'oburiisa hamwe n'ebyenyanja ikarigayo yayemereza okujuba ebyenyanja ebiri kumanywa nka mukene bwanyuma y'okukizoora ngu ebyenyanja bikaba byatandikire kuba mu nyanja zitari zimwe na zimwe mu ihanga ahabw'enjuba mbi eri kukozesebwa na bwanyuma Ministry w'ihanga ahabw'ebyenyanja Helen Adowa akarigayo yahinguza iteeka eri kwemereza enjuba eri kumanywa nka hurry up yaragira n'abikiri kukwataho boona okutoma nkora iteeka eryo ekika ky'okujuba ekiri kumanywa nka hurry up nikyo kiri kukozesebwa aha nyanja zitari zimwe na zimwe mu ihanga bari kukozesa obutimba oburi kumanywa nka tupa eki Ministry yashangire ngu enjuba egi ekakora munonga okushisha omutindo otaireho n'okuheza ebyenyanja mu nyanja za Uganda ezitari zimwe na zimwe omukesharingo akabajubi bataho babekoreire ebipapura ebiri kushaba gavumenti okwemereza ekiragiro eki bari kugira ngu kitahire munonga omu ntaasya yaabo akesharinga ako bakata aha mwaro gwa Sebagoro oguri kushanga omugomborora ya Kaboya omu district ya Kikuube aba baba bebembeirwe chairperson w'ekigombe kyabo eki bari kwegaitiramu ekya Lake Albert Silverfish Fishers Association Robert Jungaira hamwe na Alfred Dongel secretary w'ekigombe eki.
To Entebbe for several times. I'm disappointed with our Minister for State and Fisheries, Helen Adowa.
Isaba ito tusomere ito tukakurira nyanja hano bakatuzarira nyanja cyoka bintu bikarubire.
Abantu bagira ngo bakozere kiriko basika cyona kurebeka ngo bagamba na Ministry hamwe n'abikiri kukwataho bona okurira enshonga zabo gukonka babaheire matu ekibagemesereze kuzahangoto okureka obutashemerwa.
We need the minister to come here, explain what is hurry up for us in Lake Albert to fish lamb paraments. And it is already last. Chota. Since I was born, I've never fished chota. My children doesn't know what is called chota. And biographically, chota was a fishing system used with a small boat.
Margaret Asava hamwe na Janet Munguditi bagira ngo bata abana babo tubakishoma bwanyuma yo kugira ngo aho babere ntibehentasya gavumenti kahakinga
atiye kunyikwaya mwako besomi Masindi Kawalega jumoko besomi Hoima kawoni school fees upe abuya bechenwa ngodengo report.
Dennis Mugisa uri omushubuzi w'ebyenyanja amwaro gwa Sebagoro nagira ngo kiri kukirayo kubasasa no kugira ngo abajubi abari kurwo mu ihanga rya Kongo bekirizibwa kujubura bajo rwa Uganda konka abanya Uganda bari kwikirizibwa
abantu bakola basibanga tubalinde abasungu wenina soka eduka tulina maloni gatutudemu abatafuna PDM bagenda zikolesa kinga abantu bakola ki nga twatukiriza kola ki nga twatukiriza kukola.
So we are here to demonstrate so that the government can understand, can listen to us. Honorable Minister Adowa should understand and make clarification. I was one of the delegation that met the minister in Kampala twice, and the minister promised that she was going to communicate and clear the space for us.
Akesharingaka kajemesereze RDC wa district ya Kikuube Amrant Msime ukutaho mu nshonga zabo hamwe na mukuru w'ebyokujuba mu district eji John Kiburara kandi aba bahigira abajubi aba kurebeka ngo bakozesa enjuba eziri kwikirizibwa gavumenti.
The Minister of State for Fisheries says she has never stopped Mukene fishing. The only guide that she is not going to allow the fishers who are using a certain type of a net called halyard. That is the only net which has been prohibited from being used in the Ugandan waters, specifically for fishers. The rest, the minister says self-employed.
According to the minister's statement, Mukene was not stopped. They are supposed to be fishing Mukene and using the chota method. But according to his statement, he said that he is supposed to use chota methods besides other traditional methods.
Banyuma RDC akozereho urukungano rw'ebyokwerinda aha Mwarogo yahiga abajubi hamwe n'abashubuzi b'ebyenyanja aba okugendera amateka gavumenti eteireho.
Taditu mwame sekta maeni mestarisha mananga bishipedu yuwa ye meeting matine ni enka wanene ngoje kindwa wache ko
bakuraga gashakwa gada saba abazkai TV agenshonga muri Kikuube.